What if I told you that just 7 days from now, your life could look completely different? Not because the world changed, but because you did. Imagine waking up with clarity, purpose, and power, like the heroes you admire in anime. They started broken, doubted, outmatched, but they transformed, and you can too. This is your story. This is your reset. Let's begin. First, clear the noise, clean your room. Write down every task, worry, and goal swirling in your head. When your space is clean, your mind follows. Own your environment, own your mindset. Mini challenge, declutter one space today, your desk, your room, or your digital files. Step 2, rebuild your routine. Day 2. You don't rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your habits. Build a routine that supports the future you want. Rock Lee didn't become a legend by accident. He trained daily, relentlessly, with purpose. Mini challenge. Set a simple morning and night routine. Stick to it for the next 7 days. No excuses. Step 3. Fuel your body, sharpen your mind. Day 3. What you consume becomes who you are. This applies to your food, your content, and your conversations. Sharpen not just your blade, but your mind, breath, entire being. Start treating your body like the weapon it is. Mini challenge. Drink 2 liters of water today, eat 1 clean meal, and swap 1 hour of scrolling for reading or journaling. Step 4. Face one fear. Day 4. Growth doesn't happen in comfort. Every hero you admire had to face the fear they wanted to run from. All stood up, even when their knees trembled. So what's the one thing you've been avoiding? Mini challenge. Do something uncomfortable today. Start that project, make that call, speak your truth. Step 5, visualize your new life. Day 5 to 7. Visualization is not delusion, it's direction. See it before you live it. Write your goals, read them daily. Remind yourself, this is who I'm becoming. Mini challenge. Write a letter from your future self. Start it with, I'm proud of you for not giving up. This isn't a dream. You're just 7 days away from being a stronger, clearer, and more focused version of yourself. You don't need permission. You don't need the perfect timing. You just need a decision. Reset your life. Start today. And if you're ready, drop your goal in the comments. Let's build this journey together. Subscribe for more life-fueled motivation. And remember, the hero you admire is the one you're becoming.